It's been a while since I've posted anything on this channel, so I decided to throw up some pictures here of things that I have done since my last post. This particular post is about some wall art that I created out of steel and solar lighting. I hope you enjoy it. I started with a design I saw on the internet for a tree of life, which is a motif I'm particularly fond of. I'll put a link to the designer, and then I had it changed to customize for me. This is the Fusion 360 where I'm working on getting the machining right and the toolpath ready. This is the plasma cutter work. As you can see, it's a CNC plasma cutter. It's about 8 times speed. Total took around 25 minutes or so. Here's the piece immediately after being cut out, but it still needed a bit of work. This is the glue up process for the lights on the back. It was a pretty slow and tedious process, so I've only showed you a very small portion of it, but basically it involved tape in the glue gun and then an epoxy in various places to permanently secure the lighting down. Total took me about 3 or 4 hours. And here is a quick close-up view of the gluing process as well as an overall look once it was done. And then with a few coats of paint, I was able to hang it up. And then a quick view of the lights. And that's about it. Hopefully I'll post some more projects soon.